Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Talha. I am the creator and co-founder of WriteGPT. Today in this video, I am gonna show you how to write bulk articles and publish those bulk articles into WordPress using WriterGPT. So let's get started. First, we need to go to Generate Content tab. We need to paste our keyword here. You need to choose settings from here. I will go with HCU Human Optimized Content mode. And yes, I have enabled image generation as well, and you can choose all these settings. I have already set up these settings in order to save time, and I have also created a bulk job which is in progress. Okay, it's completed just now, and yes, here is the email from WriterGPT. So these are the generated articles. Now just check few articles before publishing them to WordPress. Okay, it's looking perfect. And go to images. Yes, we have images generated for all of them as well. So now we need to insert all these images into our articles. Select all images. Note we have two process here. In first process, we generate images for our all articles, and then we insert those images into articles. So I will go with insert images, and it is inserting images with speed and accuracy. So here are the images. Okay, now we have all the articles with images. We have already chosen all the articles. We just need to go to WordPress and select our site, which is Mr. Favorite Food, and now we need to choose our category, which is politicians. We can add tags as well if you want. Yes, I want to generate featured image. I will keep this open. No, I don't want scheduling. I will publish these posts now, and I will queue all of them. So 10 articles queued for WordPress publishing. You can click on view status. It will redirect you to WordPress tab. Okay, so all these posts are in pending. 2 posts are being processing in parallel. So this will be published within few minutes. It depends on cron job's speed, how much time it will take to publish. Okay, now let's go to our website, which is Mr. Favorite Food. Now we need to go to WriterGPT. Yes, for those who are suspecting that how we have connected our site with WordPress, or who are curious about connecting WordPress site with WordPress, it's a very simple process. I have already created a video about it. You can watch this video, and I will share a short guide at the end as well for new users. So we just need to sync. This is not a required or necessary option. You can use it if you want to see latest changes in the site here. Otherwise, this plugin will do its job automatically, and all the article will be published periodically. Okay, so these are the articles. It is fetching. Now check. Let me just go to WriterGPT. Yes, these 2 articles have been published. These 2 are published as well, and cron job will start up after 1 minute, and this will pick these 2 and then these 2, and all these articles will be published within 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, now just check these published article. Go to post. Okay, this article is published. All these articles are here. We can view these articles. So this is the featured image which is created automatically. No, please keep in mind that you should have a credit to generate featured images, otherwise this will show an error. Okay, so table of content is generated by the website, and this is the featured image. These are the images inserted by us. Okay, so we are seeing issues in table here which is not showing properly here. Inshallah we will fix this issue as well. Okay, and it also created schemas here, so you can edit this post and you can copy and paste this schema into your desired plugin. I am using rank math. You can use plugin of your own choice. Okay, now let's go to second post, which is Nancy Pelosi favorite food. It's looking good. Same issue for the table. Look at the quality of the images being generated. We are using latest Gemini API, which is Nano Banana, which is the best in the town. Okay, schema is also generated, so I will copy and edit, manually insert this schema into required place. Okay, that's it. This is how you can publish bulk articles into WordPress using Writer GPT. Feel free to ask any questions, and yes, let me just share the guide for those who want to know how to connect WordPress site. Let me share this tab. Okay, first need to go to sites. Here we need to add a site. You can enter your site name and simply site URL. After adding URL, you need to add a site. Once you add the site, then you will edit the site tab again, and then we need to copy this plugin token. It is generated after saving site, so we need to edit this again in order to get this token. You can simply copy this token from here, and then in WordPress you can go to Writer GPT and you can post the plugin token here, and you can hit save. So it will show connected. If there were any issues, or there is an issue in JSON or any other related issue, it will show error here. Feel free to contact the Writer GPT support if you find any kind of issue here. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please feel free to share your feedback. Keep enjoying, keep creating with Writer GPT. Thank you so much.